how to find high contrast mode settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find high contrast mode settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and here you will find these three lines in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings and then click here you will see it high contrast mode, and you can turn it on or off just by one click. And as you see, it have been turned on, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to find high contrast mode settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.